Hello everyone, welcome to my daily vlog. Today I'm going to talk about the promote option on TikTok. I used it because it was kept showing up on my profile, so I thought I should use it. So I paid, I think, £3 to £4, and then I got some discount, I think 20%. And then I tried to promote my one of my video, and it got good views, as it described like it will get like around 300 3,000 plus. I got good views, like was good thing. But then I was uploading the other new content on my account, and like it wasn't getting any views. So you can see it, like it's like getting, like my videos are stopping until 50 views, 100 views and all. But if you go scroll down my account, I got like really good views before, because this account is really new. I got good views, but after promoting I feel I think my account gone dead. um you like whatever I'm posting, I'm not getting enough views. It's not even going like over 200 or something. It's just stopping 50, 56, and something like that. So I wouldn't recommend to use this TikTok promote option. And please share this post as much as you can to stop someone else from scamming. Thank you.